Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find Instagram login location. So if you want to find someone's Instagram login location, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, now you have to tap on the search icon which is on the bottom of your screen, and then search for any person that you would like to know the location from. So for example, now I'm searching for Mark Zuckerberg. So just tap on that person's icon which you are searching for, and after coming up to their profile page, now what you have to do is tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on the third option about this account. And after tapping on the third option, here you can see the location of that person that you would like to know. So this person is located in United States, but the location might vary according to your search. So that's it. This is how to find Instagram login location. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.